Hello people, this is Ritvik Pandey, corporate trainer, motivational speaker and performance coach, and today I bring to you an episode on hopes. It is named, Why Are Human Hopes Hopeless? Hope is a divine gift of spirit. It is an expectation of cherishing a desire that is born somewhere deep inside us and uses the warrant of the supreme power in form of prayers. We pray to the Supreme Lord to grant us the desires we hope for. If we could see the Supreme through these physical eyes in this materialistic world, we would be surprised to see that the Lord is laughing at us because of our desires. Hope is the most precious ornament anyone can have. Hope is nothing without the essence of faith in it. It is a power that gives us strength to believe that anything is possible. It is a voice that bangs our mind whispering, "It is not over yet, you can still do it." Hope is about perseverance. It is hope that gives us the second chance to get up and dance to the tunes with the broken limbs. It is hope that makes us look through a window of opportunity when all is dead dark around us. It is that one thing which keeps pushing us even when our mind and body gave up on us. Hope is a thought. It is the last man standing with us even in the most desperate times. Hope is an inspiration to motivate us for changing the present state to a better one. It is that single ray of light that enlightens us to go through the tunnel and find a way out of it. Hope is the sixth element of life humans cannot live without. Diving deep, being hopeful means establishing a relationship of past with respect to the present and equating it to the future. It is about envisioning that we expect to happen, but there is a wreck in the ship. All our hopes are nothing but mere mundane desires. Nothing earthy in this physical world is destined to get a glimpse of eternity. It is not scripted that way, my friends. Ever since the inception of Mother Nature, or maybe even before that, the most indomitable invader has been the time, and nothing can overpower the constant variable. It takes back everything that is dear to us. By the cycle, termination of every one of us is headed our way. So materialistically, all our hopes are hopeless. They are hopeless because they are born out of physical needs and attached to sensual desire. So why hope for something that is predetermined to perish? Every physical entity has a shadow. Our hopes, born of the physical world, carry fear as its shadow. And as mentioned in one of the Hollywood's best movies, fear can hold you prisoner, but hope can set you free. The humans are being enslaved by this shadow and consumed by lust. Hoping to gain fame, fortune, power, success, relationship, or anything materialistic in nature is like a honey trap, shackling our own very souls. When the nature has garnished us with such a beautiful element called hope, shall we not try to use it not for the materialistic desires but the intangible ones? When envisioned by the Supreme, we were meant to be hoping for the latter. But ignorant creatures we are, it seems we have taken a detour and the road ahead has no destination. We can, however, seek to refurbish the smitten being. With true insight to our existence and singularity, we can cast away our material desires of the tangible world. The more we know about ourselves, more detached we experience, and our priorities and preferences are reshuffled. And thereafter shall the Almighty grant us blessings and answer our prayers. After all this hassle, my only hope is to have a purified conscience. Thank you so much guys for your time and effort in listening to me. Please like, share and subscribe us for more episodes. See ya.